Hello and welcome to the video. This is the pick for the winner for this thing here. Well, not this one on the screen actually. It's probably quite a few of you noticed this was a review, well, first look of the 1 watt micro module from BetaFPV, ELRS, and a whacking 1 watt of power. Now this is the black edition, but I already have the white edition. In fact, I have quite a bit of ELRS stuff here, so this one needed to find a home. So it's absolutely standard stuff. Like, comment and subscribe, and lots of you did, so congratulations for that. There was a bit of silliness on this video at the weekend, but I've got rid of all those comments. So quite a few to have a go at. Let's cut and paste the URL into the random comment picker, filter duplicate users. So yeah, quite a few of you were up for this. So the winner of the BetaFPV Black 1 watt ELRS is Chris Barnford. Chris, congratulations. Standard stuff. Pop me an email, confirm your address, lee@painless360.com, and I will get this out to you. Fantastic. Commiserations to those of you that didn't win. However, do make sure you are subscribed and have the bell notification icon turned on, as there will be other giveaways coming out over the next few weeks and months. So good luck to everyone for the future draws, and I'll see you soon in another video. Thank you for spending your time today watching that video. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you're trying to learn about a subject, then check out the playlist. All of my videos are organized into easy to follow playlists that, if you're trying to learn a topic, will take you from the basics right the way through to some pretty advanced stuff.